Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Ghost Deadpool, back with a brand new video. And today, I'm gonna be showing you guys where the Deadpool pistols, dual pistols, are located at, and the other things. So let's go and see the challenge. If you guys didn't know, there's new Deadpool challenges. They just came out today morning. There was like a little bit of bug with them, so yeah. So in order to get the Deadpool skin, you have to buy the battle pass and find Deadpool's 2 pistols, enter a phone booth or porta potty to become the superest of the superheroes. So in order you to find the dual pistols, one is going to be located right over here where the white thing is showing on my screen. The another one is going to be at Meow Skull's agent place. Is going to be located right over here. And so let me show you where the photo booths and that stuff is. So in order to do this challenge, you're supposed to ready up in a solo game. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell for new videos like this. And you already know we have to pop off the Deadpool loading screen and the skin and the backling. So yeah. I'm playing on mobile right now. So takes a lot of time to load on mobile. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys turn on your post notification bells to see every single upload I do, and I'll help you guys for more challenges like this. So yeah. So we're gonna land right over here at the yacht. Let me take the bus driver and let's go. You already know we're gonna pop off the Avengers glider. So there's three porta potties and 3 telephone booths. So there's one on the yacht, in the yacht. There's 3 over there, and there's one on the island. I suggest going on the island because it's really closer and more people land at the yacht, so it's gonna be more difficult and more challenging. So yeah. And if you guys are too low here, you can just use the slip and stream from Steam Stacks. And yeah. So we're just gonna land there. So you guys are supposed to go to the location right over here. Right over there. And you'll all be there. There's a lot of people landing here. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you're supposed to go to this small island right beside the yacht. And you guys know that there's a Deadpool balloon at the yacht. Everything turned into Deadpool, so there's a guy here. You're just supposed to go in here and just go to the photo booth. And guys, you're not supposed to quit the game. If you quit the game, then the challenge won't work for you. So yeah, I'm gonna get this guy to kill me, and then you would have your Deadpool challenges. Excuse me, sir. I like trolling around. Buddy. Imagine I kill him. Okay guys, so that's how you get the Deadpool skin. That's the challenge guide to get the Deadpool skin. And if you guys are new here, like this video, comment down below. Is the Deadpool skin a nice skin or is it just lame? And make sure you guys turn on your notification bells, and that's how you get the Deadpool skin. So yeah, peace out. Bye.